Hello my friends, I'm Dr. Nitro and this is 8-Bomb Custom Workshop. So let's talk another one time about pickups. And one important question, why the most all musicians so love, so like and so prefer PAF pickups. I am in this topic about more than 10 years and try to replicate sound dynamics, frequency characteristics and feel of vintage PAF pickups. And today I want to show you another one time my 59 clone model. It has new cover version with slightly new process of aging, and I think it looks pretty good. And today I will show you how work the 50s wiring with this pickup set. So the main question for musicians or enthusiasts, how to catch the vintage sound, how we need to improve or to work with your guitar to catch the right vintage sound like we all know from the many records, and why most all modern guitars cannot do such things that can do vintage guitars, vintage Les Pauls. This is a big question, while we all know that any Les Paul has 2 humbuckers, 4 knobs, and you need to work with that. The musician works on the stage with tone control, and 50s wiring and right PAF pickups can do your guitar the clarity and possibility to tune your sound right from the guitar, right from your volume and tone control. So this guitar is new guitar, these pickups is new pickups, but my replica 59 clone. These potentiometers is new potentiometers, it's a VIP pots, and capacitors is, I think, is a modern replica, but good replica, great replica. I can even say that isn't original. The main problem with modern pickups, factory pickups, is that modern pickups cannot show you the wideness of frequencies and most important, high frequencies. So I will show you. Here I have not so expensive Les Paul with modern pickups. So first we will try neck pickup, and you will see the problem. When you turn volume a little bit down to 7, so we can hear that the high frequencies is totally cut with volume control and even with open potentiometer. So bridge pickup. Okay, it's enough. So now 59 clone 8-bomb custom. Neck pickup. Bridge pickup. Neck pickup with volume on 7. And now come the tone knob. When you turn down the tone to 6, you can make your sound more clear. Same image in bridge pickup. Volume on 7. Tone on 6. And you can hear all the high frequencies and harmonics from the one strings. This is very important. So, this works very easily if you have right pickups, right potentiometers and right wiring. This is 50s wiring. And modern wiring, like on modern Gibson standard or traditional, can't do this so easily. So I prefer always make 50s wiring. And all my guitars have my pickups, while I don't need anything else. If you're interested, then check my website, subscribe for this channel to know about how to paint guitar, how to relic guitar, or you can check my Patreon. There you can support me. This is very important for my workshop. And there you can find a lot of information about how to paint and relic guitar. And a few days ago I have published in my Patreon a big series about how to paint Les Paul. This is, I think, 12 series, and it will be more, how to paint step by step with all materials, all nuances, all secrets. Now you can find it in maker level. I think a couple of series you can see without subscription. So you can check it right now. If you have questions, then write me in the comments or write me through my website. And now I say goodbye to you, but not for long. Rock and roll for all.